Fishing Thursday. We're in the Big Blue in the Whaly 435R looking for halibut, rockfish, and anything that bites. We got Jaden on the boat. He's over there. And wish us luck.
Oh man, he took my bait.
He took your bait.
Shit, that's why I feel like tug. Oh man. Let's get more live bait. I like live bait.
Action, action.
Got a bite? Oh yeah.
Even the other side too on my other rod. Oh, did I snag?
I think snag.
Oh, something big, dude. Something big. Something big.
Man, I can hit this thing.
It's something big. Fish on, fish on. Just cut it off. Oh, shark.
Huh? Shark?
Shark.
Bang.
Tail wrapped.
Holy shit. That's a big one too.
Oh, I got him on 2 lines. I hooked him up. He got 10.
Oh, maybe holding your line there. That's why you said the other one got it too. Want to bring them up?
Hold on. I don't know which line it's on.
I think some of the jacksmelt. Oh man, damn. Holy shit, what a big.
He's all wrapped up. Alright, we're gonna let you go. Come on.
Damn.
Shark. Oh man, he's like wrapped.
Not treasure. Treasure will keep it.
Oh my god, what the hell did he do?
Oh my god.
He's all wrapped up there.
You might want to cut all of them, cut everything. I was ready to gut the thing. Oh man, that's huge.
Twirling.
No way he can go anywhere.
His skin is like sandpaper. Okay. You hooked on me, I think.
Hả? Không còn dấu? Oh, damn, might be gone.
Are you still on?
I feel like, but... Oh, what the heck is that? Oh, man. That's crazy. Smacking you?
I don't know.
I think.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's my line right there.
You don't have no bait on it.
Yeah, it's just gone. Oh man. the jacks here. You let it go?
Yeah.
I still have something.
Huh? Well, maybe that's your front one.
Oh, the bed's right there. Oh,
What is that?
I hooked somebody's line. I hooked my own line right there. Shit, that's crazy, man. That's nuts. Woo.
You have 3 lines.
Oh, man. But definitely.
Well, it's about 10 o'clock. We got 1 shark. Caught some jacksmelt and some squid, so it's pretty cool. See what else we catch right over the area. Missed that one. Well, the skunk today. 1 shark. We did find some squid and some jacksmelt. Not even a rockfish. It was very strange. Everybody was having problems catching. But comment, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Russell's Fishing Adventures. Peace.